Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if OneDrive is having issues on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing we're going to do is open up the Start menu, type in Run, so R-U-N. Best match to go back or Run right above App, so go ahead and left click on that. Now I'm going to have something in the description of the video. I want you guys to copy it and then paste it into this Run field. Hit Enter. Now that you've done that, you want to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you've restarted your computer, you're going to run the second path I'm going to have in the description of the video. So just paste it in. It should be onedrive.exe. Hit Enter. So there you go. So just go sign into your OneDrive account, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.